Hello, this is my presentation on climate change and habitat fragmentation on the black-tailed prairie dog decline. Alrighty, so black-tailed prairie dogs play a crucial ecological role. Their burrowing activities aerate the soil, enhance water infiltration, and provides habitats for many other species, including the endangered black-footed ferret. So conserving prairie dogs means protecting an entire grassland ecosystem. Habitat fragmentation, disease like the Slavic plague, climate change, and human land use are all stressors that are interconnected and have been accelerating over the last few decades. Alrighty, so this research integrates ecological and climate data sets to examine prairie dog colony trends between 1980 and 2020. So using a regression model, we can assess the changes in land use, temperature, and precipitation, and how they relate to prairie dog colony health and distribution. So this is kind of this is a chart or graph of the temperature anomaly trends on a prairie dog range from 1980 to 2020. And as you can see, over the years, the temperature has gradually gone up. There are some steep dips in there, but overall it continues to increase over time. So in our findings, we see a 1.5 degrees Celsius in the average temperature within the prairie dog regions over those 40 years. Extreme droughts, particularly in 2002 and 2012, were linked to the steep population loss due to the reduced forage and increased heat stress. Precipitation pattern changes also contributed to colony stress and the decline in the population. We can see that the black-tailed prairie dog population declined by 95% from the historical baselines. And over 60% of prairie dog habitats have been lost to agriculture and urban development. Because of this has resulted in the collapse of large colonies, and now they are kind of grouping into smaller, isolated sort of patches. We can see that the proximity to cropland and urban areas negatively affect the prairie dog presence, while distance from the protected areas and total precipitation has positively affected the associations. Alrighty, so these insights have kind of powerful implications into conservation. To be effective, strategies need to go beyond the sort of isolated preservation that we have going on now. One idea would be integrating an approach that uses kind of buffer zones and habitat corridors, and the land use planning that prioritizes ecosystem connectivity. Future conservation can benefit from predictive modeling to sort of anticipate the effects of future climate scenarios. And long-term monitoring can detect these trends early and adapt from there to plan these and strategize accordingly. So by using these data-driven analyses, we can design more climate-adaptive conservation strategies. And by protecting these prairie dogs, we can help ensure the survival and function of the entire grassland ecosystem. Thank you.